Pleased to have you return to my channel, Coin Lady. Is this good news for XRP holders on a day when the political landscape of cryptocurrencies changed? It was disappointing last week when we did not receive the settlement. Nonetheless, that might all change this week due to a number of important events. More importantly, what does an upper-level leadership change imply for XRP holders? In this video, I will explain my perspective on the matter. But as I mentioned before, let's discuss today's events and how they can influence the XRP price and our shared goal, the arrival of the final settlement. It is well known at this point that Joe Biden has opted to resign, but it is also well known that he has endorsed Kamala Harris, who could be the Democratic nominee for president. For the cryptocurrency market, what does this imply? In the end, she has aligned herself with Joe Biden's government, which is opposed to cryptocurrency. Several companies she has worked with throughout the years have been active in the technology sector, and she has dealt with members of that sector as well. Her ties to the tech firm are very strong. The Democratic Party's decision to do this could be excellent news for crypto proponents. However, in regards to XRP, she will actually have little impact. We are eagerly anticipating the settlement's arrival. The political narrative in the US, nevertheless, needs to shift, in my opinion. We are aware that Trump is on board with crypto. True, Democrats cannot afford to take a stance against cryptocurrency. There is no way this will be successful. Tell me what this means. So, it appears that individuals such as Jerome Powell and Gary Gensler will be compelled to adhere to the storyline. When all factors are considered, Donald Trump now has a significant advantage. To my mind, he's 46.7%, compared to 44.3% for the Democrats. Thus, it currently stands for a president who is in favor of cryptocurrencies. This is critically essential to me because a lot can happen in that time frame. Regarding XRP and the agreement we reached with the SEC, is this finally going to be resolved so that there is no uncertainty about who will enter? It seems like they're virtually forced to gamble it all or fold. That, in my opinion, is what this week may bring. It would be fascinating to watch the political climate shift, in my opinion. Plus, I have no doubt that XRP will be front and center in this. As is well known, Brad Garlinghouse has publicly stated that they are confident in their ability to reach a settlement. Last week, there was a small transfer of XRP that everyone thought was a payment, but it turned out to be something else entirely. That being said, I suppose we were all in the same boat last week when Brad publicly stated his belief that they are nearing the end, but he still wouldn't give a damn. It has been announced that the closed-door meeting, regardless of its subject matter, will now take place on July 25th. That is scheduled for next week. The date of July 31st is also known to us. Many are hoping that Judge Annalise Torres will put a stop to it all. Everything would fit in well with the impending political shift. At this point, it seems like everything is fitting together nicely. For the past 4 years, we have been patiently waiting. We might be in for a little bit of a wait with XRP. Nevertheless, what we are witnessing is a notable increase in volume, as I have mentioned multiple times, especially in relation to the XRPL. Now we're witnessing a 95% increase in volume over the counter in half a year, and that's just the beginning. With Donald Trump's campaign heating up and the possibility of a US president who is pro-crypto, this trend is just going to continue. Consider a wide range of alternative cryptocurrencies. For example, AVAX is up 12%. Ethereum is up 3%, and XRP is up roughly 4.5 points. While the truth remains hidden. As I've been saying for a while now, people are hedging a 50-50 gamble. So, I really believe that there will be a significant increase in both volume and price action if we reach a settlement and accept it. Then, we can move on. As trading activity begins to build up in Asian markets and South Korean exchanges, several analysts are predicting that the price of XRP might rise by as much as 20%. Therefore, this is a promising sign of XRP's widespread acceptance around the world. However, what follows from it will forever be an open question. What kinds of collaborations emerge? The function of price action is what? How are you going to keep the company model going that everyone is so enthusiastic about? When considering CBDCs, how does it appear? That, I believe, is the current position of many individuals. However, when we examine the XRP price action over the past 2.5 weeks, we can see that it has been overwhelmingly favorable, with only about 2.5 days of red candles. Everything else has been top-notch. Actually, XRP has gone from where it was at the bottom to where it is now, a move of more than 55%. Much like before, you may be wondering, what does 20% look like to BIT? Well, 20% returns us to the 72-cent area we were discussing earlier. It elevates us to the same level as when we tested the local highs in March and November of last year. At this point, I am certain that XRP is about to make a significant move. In my opinion, the settlement will be favorable to us, and XRP might break $1 very soon. Hopefully, we will see that worst-case scenario. It might be the 31st, but we will keep you informed as everything progresses. The question is when, not if, and most importantly, finalized this week. Though it may put pressure on leaders like Gary Gensler to finalize the deal, a shift in Democratic Party leadership may be intriguing. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I'll see you later.